After informing about the kidnapping of Mother Sita by Ravana, Jatayu died in the hands of Sri Rama. Lord Ramachandra felt very sad and he performed the Antyeshti Karma as well as the Shraddha of Jatayu just like his father Maharaj Dashratha. In this episode of Unknown Ramayana, I shall tell you how Maharaj Dashratha became a close friend of Jatayu, so much so that Rama himself considered Jatayu on par with his father Dashratha. Long back, even before the birth of Sri Rama, the prominent astrologers in the Sabha of Maharaj Dashratha informed him about the Shani entering into Rohini Nakshatra. They predicted that if Shani entered into Rohini Nakshatra, it would bring a major drought for the entire city of Ayodhya, which would kill a lot of people. Maharaj Dashratha, becoming concerned about it, immediately left to the planet of Shanidev. There, he offered his heartfelt prayers to Shanidev, who was very pleased. Shanidev offered a boon to Maharaj Dashratha in return, and Maharaj Dashratha requested him not to enter the Rohini Nakshatra. Shanidev agreed and instructed Maharaj Dashratha to return to Ayodhya soon. After Maharaj Dashratha left the planet of Shanidev, Shanidev became inquisitive to know how Maharaj Dashratha came to his planet, and therefore he cast his glance on the chariot of Maharaj Dashratha. The chariot burnt instantly in the mid-air, thus causing Maharaj Dashratha to fall helplessly. Jatayu, who was seated in Janasthan, could see from his Duradrishti that someone was calling for help. Jatayu saw that it was Maharaj Dashratha, the future father of Sri Ramachandra, so Jatayu immediately flew to hold Maharaj Dashratha and save his life. Jatayu safely brings Maharaj Dashratha to Ayodhya. After reaching Ayodhya, Maharaj Dashratha was very thankful to Jatayu for saving his life and requested Jatayu to accept a residence in Ayodhya and accept the hospitality of Maharaj Dashratha for a lifetime. Jatayu denied the request of Maharaj Dashratha respectfully because a vulture is considered inauspicious and it cannot stay in the vicinity of the city at all. Maharaj Dashratha requested Jatayu that any time he would need any help, he was always available for him. Thus, the friendship of Maharaj Dashratha and Jatayu began. This friendship led to the moksha of Jatayu right in the hands of Sri Ramachandra.